Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to generate AI images in Canva. So if you've been using Canva and you want to create AI images, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your App Store, search for Canva and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Now once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you want to go ahead and tap on the plus sign at the bottom. So let's go ahead and create something simple. So let's go ahead and create a logo. Now we have a blank canvas and basically it'll ask you if you want to choose any designs. However, if you swipe left from the bottom, you'll see Magic Media. Here you'll be able to create images, graphics, and videos. So in the first tab, we want to create an image. So go ahead and describe 5 words. So I'll go ahead and type in the simple dad, tutorial, and phones. Now I'll scroll down. Here you can go ahead and choose what style you want. So you want anime, dreamy, or filmic. So I'll go ahead and tap dreamy. Now what aspect ratio you want, a square, landscape, or portrait. I'll leave it as square and I'll tap on generate. Now just give it some time and this will generate an AI image using these 4 words or 5 words. Now once that's generated, as you can see, it has generated something like that. So the simple dad showing a phone and tutorials. Now once you're happy with it, you can go ahead and download the image or you can use it in your artwork. So there you go, that is how to create AI images in Canva. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.